We're not smacking it, we're fucking it. Hot in my mouth. Come on, let me show you how to make it. Go. So today we're going to make THANG. Sweet, sour, spicy. Let me show you how to make it. And I also bought a new toy. Look at this beauty.
Oh, that's a big one.
It is a cooking tool, also a weapon. It's my baby. This is what you call THUM. And you know what I'm gonna do with this? Fuck. You get it? THUM. Fuck. I'm not talking about you. That's what I'm gonna do to the ingredients.
Some fuck. Hang on a minute. This is a joke.
And I'll show you what fuck means in Lao, right? Fuck just means to chop. So this is what you do. So if your mum says to you, go fuck the cucumber, this is what she means, okay? It doesn't mean like chop in the sense where you use a chopping board. It's kind of like, I don't know how to explain it. This is just the action of fucking. It's basically the same motion, but with a knife. Be careful of your fingers. I've had many years of practice doing this. You can't fuck something very well on a chopping board unless you get two cleavers and you're going and you're making sausage meat. Done. Chop our little tomatoes. I just like to cut them in half. Lovely, look at these. They look so good. This guy comes in, chilies in, cook POV. Look at that. See, in, chili, garlic, shrimp paste. I like it quite salty, so I'm putting a teaspoon. A little bit of salt as an agitator. Sugar. I'm gonna use the sugar granules. A little bit of yum yum. A sprinkle of joy. Also known as Ajinomoto! MSG. Obviously optional. We're gonna start crushing these up. We add the tomatoes. Just crush them up so they can absorb all that flavor. And then we add the cucumber. Now I'm gonna season my fermented fish sauce. Smells so good. It is so danky. So I'm gonna do about half a tablespoon, a generous half. A little bit more fish sauce. Lime. And then we thumb again. But you use your spoon to scoop at the same time. This is the sound. It reminds me of home. Perfect, we are done. Ooh, look at that. And that, my friends, is my cucumber salad. A party in your mouth. It is. You don't agree? The salad is so good. Sweet.
Don't eat too much of it. Like, you're just introing this.
Salty.
So don't try it, okay?
No.
So no.